Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will first go to the adjustment and then follow me as it is. Next, we'll go into Effect and apply a blur effect and set its opacity to 100%. Then copy the original clip and paste it on top of it. Next, we'll make the top clip a linear burn in Blend and set its opacity to 30%. After that, undo the original clip. Let's take a look at what we've made.
Bowled him again, beautiful! Talk him up, and Mohammed.
There are still more changes needed. Let's work on it. Next, we will apply the white images and adjust them between these two clips. Overlay the white image in Blend and set its opacity to 88%. Let's take a look at what we have created.
Bowled him again, beautiful! Talk him up, and Mohammed Wasim Jr. says, I'll put him down.
Now it is much better than before, but it is not enough. Let's make more changes and make it better. Stay tuned and follow me as it is. After that, add another effect to make the video more beautiful, which makes the video look better.
Bowled him again, beautiful!
50% of our video is done. To improve the video, see the next part where we will adjust the video with music and make the video professional by applying special effects. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.